Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the day in the life of a management consultant in New York. This morning, I didn't have a lot of meetings and work, so I decided to go to a cafe to do some work, check my emails, and just have a chill morning. I always order a chai latte wherever I go because I don't know why, but all the chai lattes taste kind of different in each cafe, and some I really like, some I really don't like, so I always try to go test it out when I go to a new cafe. For lunch, I got a reservation at Carbone for 11:45, and I asked a friend if she wanted to come with me. I heard it's definitely one of the harder restaurants to reserve in New York, so I've been wanting to try for a pretty long time. The menu was actually so big, it could cover up my whole face. But other than that, the food was amazing. We got some clams, my friend got spaghetti, and I tried their spicy vodka rigatoni. In the middle of my lunch, my manager actually texted me, which is really unexpected because normally we have a set schedule for every day and they won't text you really out of the blue. But for some reason, he asked me if I could go to the office to do some work with him on some slides. However, I was not dressed up in any sort of business formal or casual clothes, so I had to quickly run around Soho to buy an outfit before heading to our office in Midtown. The working session was pretty quick. My manager just wanted some FaceTime to talk with me and work on it in person, so it was done really fast. And around 6, I headed to my friend's place. He recently really got into baking and he wanted to make banana bread today, so I was just there to chill and help him and see if we can make some delicious banana bread. I think you have to use super ripe bananas, right? The ones that are almost bad.
I know, but it works, if you mash it enough.
Okay, you ripen the process.
Fuck, I should have got given you the shot.
Amazing content. So half.
You can do a little less, I feel like.
Yeah, I think cup is fine. Or half cup is fine.
Yeah.
This is half cup. And then what else?
I'm gonna half a piece of flour.
Oh, this is a good way to train your left hand. Everything you do in the kitchen, you can just kind of do with your left hand.
Yes, yeah. I feel like 1.5 is a lot of flour.
It has to
No,
be a dough.
Be a flour, yeah. It should become dough.
That's it.
Yeah, it will magically become a dough.
Hopefully this turns out well.
The bread?
Yeah.
Next thing is to butter the thing.
Yeah, I got it. We're so domesticated. Let's go, guys. My hands are shivering today, though. Even worse than usual.
I think you should go to PT, bro.
Yeah, I think you will definitely help.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna call the PT person and be like, I'm so sorry, I can't do it today, but someone else is gonna take my spot. It's gonna be under my insurance.
I'm trying to make it work.
Anyone wants to. This is very thick batter.
You want this?
It goes there.
Wait, are you putting walnuts in it or on top of it?
Inside.
And then we can garnish it with too much on top.
Do you have any words of wisdom for my vlog?
Yeah. That makes banana bread. My words of wisdom.
Dude, when I was a kid, my grandma kept making me eat walnuts, and I was like, why? And she was like, because it looks like a brain, it will help your
Dude,
brain.
that's literally what my grandma made me do also.
I was like,
That's crazy.
okay. I don't know if that's how it works, but sure.
I think it is.
Maybe it's common.
Whatever it looks like, it just helps you
I mean, it's just old thinking.
grow that part.
But
Like,
I
I'm
think
not.
it's very common.
I think nuts like do help your brain, but like I don't think it's because a walnut looks like a brain that it helps your brain.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, I don't know how true this is. Very cute.
Huh?
I think if you stick a toothpick in and there's no liquid, it's good.
Good.
You guys have toothpicks?
No. Just leave it over this way. Let's double check that's ready to go. Can I just break off one of those? Can I break off one of those?
For mine, no.
Is this yours, right? Yeah.
So,
It's just one.
we'd been talking about going to jazz bars in New York. So today we decided to go to this one called Zinc. They have 2 sets every day, one's around 6 p.m. and the other's at 9. So around 8:45, after we tasted the banana bread, we decided to head out.
Wow.
That looks nice.
Oh, it's so good when it's not like this. It's actually really good. Because the bananas get a little more mushy.
Interesting.
And I was so surprised at the sunset we got to see when we headed out because my friend's place doesn't really have a window that faces west. I wasn't really able to see the sunset today, so I was so surprised and to see this very beautiful sunset the moment we stepped out.
It's the duality of nature.
Around 9, we got to the jazz bar and a couple of other friends joined us too, and we honestly just had a really chill and good time there.